An installer procedure is provided in order to install the client components needed to run the platform software. Target platform client components have the following requirements. The minimum version of the operating system is Windows XP Service Pack 2, however, the recommended version and the one where the platform is fully tested is Windows 7. Installed executable are 32-bit and will run on both 32 and 64-bit version of the operating system. The current version of the target platform won't run on Apple Mac operating system or in Linux systems. Windows 7 users can quickly identify if their system meets the graphic card requirements, in that if the system is able to run the Aero interface, then it can run the target platform. A further requirement is that users have the .NET framework installed in their system. Special attention should be paid to the network, internet access requirements. No inbound connection is needed by the software, and running in a private network behind a NIT is also feasible. However, both TCP and UDP ports in this range should be open for outbound connections. Once the requirements are met, the installation procedure can be launched double-clicking on the installer executable. The installer procedure guides the user through the setup of the components in a familiar way, like many other software installed for the Windows operating system. It is composed of few steps, most of them with informative purposes. The second screen asks the user to accept the license with which the software is distributed, that is the General Public License version 3. Installation won't proceed without checking the I accept the terms in the license agreement. The next screen allows the user to choose the server the client should connect to. Default value should be left unchanged unless a platform administrator directs otherwise. After that, the installation proceeds with a progress bar indicating the various operations. At the end of the procedure, the user is asked to press the Finish button. With this action, the installation will proceed with the last step, which is the Target Manager setup. The Target Manager is an Adobe Air reusable widget that requires a separate setup. Depending on the Adobe Air version installed in the user PC, an upgrade or an install of the Adobe Air runtime might take place. All these steps are managed automatically. At the end of the procedure, the Target Manager icon will be on the computer desktop.